Race day. Shout out to whoever put the dyno. We'll cherish it. What? Wheelchair? What the fuck? Hey, little guy. Sleepy guy. We have made it to Merritt McDonald's. The boys are living. This is the only place open. We're gonna grub up, and then we have a 40-minute drive still to the Airbnb on gravel roads with no reception. So the night is still young.
It's like midnight. You gotta be up at 6 tomorrow.
It's gonna be a big race day, but we have to survive getting there first.
Yeah, we got a laser that was pointed at us.
The green flashing lights can be blinding.
All you see is green.
We're under attack, boys! Batten down the ship!
There's some fucker across the river hitting us with fucking lasers. Green. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but in super bucket fashion, I have brought all of my friends. Oh fuck, I got downshift. Down a gravel road at 1 a.m. to find an Airbnb. Oh God. Sorry, boys.
Your tire.
Wait, who's got a cow patty on their tire? Oh, this is crazy. That's our Airbnb. Let's go. The sports cars, the semi-slick tires, cabin in the woods. What a combo. God, there's cow shit in my door. Ew. 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 Get out of there. I don't want to smell this all tomorrow. It's all fucking on my tires. Who's got a cow patty on their tire? Oh, God. Cow dookie on the REs. Maybe it'll help me stick better. Secret tactic. If we win tomorrow, it was because of the cow dookie. Oh. Wait. Oh, this light works. It's like COD Zombies, dude. Gotta turn on the power. Shit. Oh. The boot up sequence just powered the generators. One of my favorite parts of coming into these Airbnbs is getting here in the dead of night and then lighting everything up. Home sweet home.
This place is nice.
Alright, man, it's looking pretty good. This is cheaper than the motel.
Oh, really?
Yeah. My boy.
Where's my bill?
What? Oh, there's another mattress here. You don't even need their mattress. Time for the lottery. Time for the lottery. The lottery, so people don't get mad at each other for choosing rooms. First pick! After me, of course, I pick up 6. Boop.
Forget the rooms already.
2! Oh, who is it?
T-Dog!
T-Dog!
Down.
It is the bedroom.
Bedroom gone.
Better at the cabin.
Oh, what's up? What's up? Oh! What's up?
Where can we put that big mattress?
Massive.
Wait.
You can't pull over.
Oh shit, he's out. Wait. Oh shit, he's out.
Y'all gonna regret putting me here. I snore.
Well, he sleepwalks.
I wish Sebby was here.
The boys.
The boys.
Holy flick. What a goddamn movie. Race day! Good morning, beautiful British Columbia. Gravel road is a lot more pleasant in the morning, but as you can hear, the 200 treadwear tires throw every rock everywhere. It's insane. Obligatory Canadian start to the race day.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars, and let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, please be true. In other
Quick little weight reduction. Fender liner left on track. What a bucket. What a bucket.
Did you bring it up earlier?
Casualties of war.
Yeah.
MR2'd. And we got the witness mark left behind.
It's part of the car.
That's crazy. Boy Adrian just pulled a pretty clean lap, but now he's misfiring on the way out. Rest in peace. Never a good sign when all the boys are gathered around a car with the hood open. What happened to this guy?
Izzy. I'm gonna tape it on.
Look how loose this is. It flew off like as he was cornering.
So blame Quack.
It's not bad, dude.
That's Quack.
Is that Clyde?
That was Quack.
That was Quack. Yeah, Quack borrowed his distributor to test it on his car.
And he left it loose.
It wasn't loosey-goosey before he touched it.
Stupid Quack. Jafar.
Dying.
The Sahara sun is taking a toll. See the neck. Show the people. Oh. Looking like Patrick Star. Damage check. Sheesh. Don't worry, me too, me too. We got a whole ass lakefront Airbnb. Motherfuckers are grabbing the Hot Wheels. Let's go, you fuckers. Straight out of the pack. Terrorizing Walmart. Oh, dude, the sock tan is crazy.
Oh, yes, we're doing a Miata unboxing.
Miata unboxing. Secret prize. What the? I just took a roller of a cow.
Well, I guess I've confirmed that my LSD does not work.
Beer can shims coming soon. Should have brought the safari car, apparently. Can't do it all. 2 down. Off-road car number 2. Unsuccessful.
It didn't feel super bucket this trip, but now it's starting to feel bucket.
I got my first real 6-string, bought it at the 5 and dime, played it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69.
To racing and to old magazine. Poor little outro.
Jimmy quit, Jody got married. Should've known we'd never get far.
Send it!
Oh, when I look back now, the summer seemed to last forever. And if I had the choice, yeah, I always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life. Ain't no use in complaining when you got a job to do. Spend my evenings down at the drive-in, and that's when I met you, yeah. Standing on your mama's porch, you told me that you'd wait forever. Oh, when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. Oh yeah, back in the summer of '69.
Dude, that's crazy. It looks like
Looking at my bird?
yeah, on the no, dude, on the camera is way crazier. It looks like the same color as your shorts. It looks like you're wearing little socks on your knees, like little white socks.
Holy flick, dude. We're so flicking cool.
Can you zoom? The only casualty of the day.
Tough.
Tough.
Wait a second, this P1 novice? Holy Flick the dwonger! Come on, baby!
Say my name. Say my name with respect.
It is the bedroom. So we're eating some hot dogs tonight, courtesy of Adam. We gotta do a test to make sure they're fresh still. So we just gotta shake them around a little bit and